What makes a great story?
I think what makes a great story is something that someone can watch and have an emotional response to, and perhaps learn something from, or be uplifted by, and you can really see that the person creating the film or whatever is really passionate about their point of view or their voice, and also something that you personally, if you were going to write that story, are passionate about as well. You know, great stories, as you can see with films, stand the test of time. So there's a reason why we go back and we keep seeing these movies over and over again that you know, in the pantheon of cinema, that why do they touch us? And, you know, from people around the world, because it's like a universal theme, you know, I don't know, good versus evil, it's a basic one, you know, but it's something that transcends countries. It finds the essence of the human condition. So, and that's, I don't want to say hard to find, but you find it and you try to stick that, interject, you know, into what stories you want to tell as a writer or a filmmaker.